Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing some more Black Ops 3. Black Ops 3. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm thinking, what should I... Oh yeah, don't I have like a sick... No, I don't. I might go for sniper. Actually, no, I probably won't. So what level do we unlock? 25. Ugh. Okay, I think I clicked. Yeah. I think sniper will be really good for this map, or they normally are on this map, but let's just hope I just really hope you guys enjoy. And guys, if you're new, you should sub if you like my content, but you don't have to. If you think I suck. Guys, watch this. No. Like, I just don't. Oh, why didn't I choose a sniper? Should I try one of these classes? Let's try the 48. Dredge. I don't really remember using that, so I wonder if it's that good. Oh, and it has rapid fire. Wait, can you hit your teammates? Wait, I think you can. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm just testing out some new weapons to see if I'll like them. This can only fire 10 shots, which isn't too great. Okay, I'm doing bad. Just bad. I'm sorry about this, guys. I know you guys are probably ashamed of me. This is good if you're on point, I guess. Lol, let's go with an LMG. I'm just kidding, why did I say lol? I know, guys. Oh, and I just made the biggest mistake of my life. I didn't freaking plant the bomb. I'm sorry, team. Please don't eat me. Yeah, I won't have enough time. I think I'm just gonna try to use a locust to play defense. That's mean. Oh, the game's already over. I'm sorry guys, this was a bad round. I know I'm bad. Don't make fun of me. Okay, I'm sorry I messed up, guys. A Skype thing popped up and I don't want to show his username. And it popped up like twice, that's why the game started, so sorry. He flanked. Savagery. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh god, I see someone. Sorry about the lag, guys. I don't know why it's choppy, but I had the fire like on point the whole time, but hit fire didn't work too. Hit fire doesn't work too well with this gun. Unless I get a sight on it, maybe. No, I suck. I freaking suck. I have no clue what the point of this game is, honestly. I really... I actually think I might. It's just like... Seems like the game that you have to get 6 when you have to plant the bomb like 6 times. Like wager matches with Grenade Shot does. The Razorback is so bad, like... Even though he gets a lot of kills with it, it's still pretty bad. Oh, I naded someone! I got confused how I got that killed attacker. Sniped! Could you imagine I just naded that dude? Just trying to plant. Good. Wait, did someone put the bomb online? Oh god. I just need to go for a nade and hope my teammates can get that done. Okay, let's see if we have enough time. So oh, did we win that round or what? Oh, we have to defend that now. I tried to frag it at the end there. Yeah, I don't... The grenad's pretty good, but I don't really want to use it. This would be a good round for a shotgun, though. Like, this is like the worst type of map for like well, the worst type of game for a sniper. I won't say a map because this is a pretty good map for a sniper. But sadly, we don't have any nades or anything. So we can't just lob those. I just really feel like lobbing a nade in. I don't know why. Oh god! If my team can give me a little bit of coverage, I think I can take them out. I think I can go for a bomb plant but if this doesn't work, I'm gonna try getting my nade class and just actually I should make just like a nade class. That'd be pretty good. I don't know why, I feel like a curse with lagging. Did all of them? Oh. They're not going for a flank, so what are they planning? Okay. Saw a dude. God, I can't do this. What? Pranked! No, I'm just kidding. That dude wrecked me, though. I hope you guys are enjoying the series, though. I think we might have a chance, though. I'm just kidding. We have a pretty good chance. Because we have both of them defended. Wow, that's dumb how he... That kill was dumb. I just made him kill himself with his own trip mine. Saw that dude. I think I can flank. Yep.